Hi everyone, and here's my review of the Gerwyn Price Glacier dart. These are the 24-gram version in steel tip, and they're match weighted by Red Dragon. As you can see in the window there, the colours really jump out at you. You have the famous Gerwyn Price Iceman grip, and then towards the rear of the barrel you have that modern milled grip. So let's have a look to see what's inside the box. Okay, inside the box, guys, we have, so wow, look at them. First sort of sight, that PVD blue coating really, catches the eye, doesn't it? But what's included in the box, obviously the three darts themselves, the three barrels. We then have the Nitrotech polycarbonate short shafts in blue, and then you have a player sort of flight, so the Iceman in this example, and it's the extra thick standard flight. So let's get that all set up for you to see what they look like. Closer look for you guys at the dart now set up with the shaft and the flight. Having had a quick sort of feel of the dart and the weight, the weight distribution I'd say is fairly central. The barrel profile, it really is a sort of a parallel barrel from front to back. The point profile is round, and then it's ended with a black high tensile point. In terms of the grip characteristics then, Red Dragon are saying it's a grip level 4, 1 being smooth, 5 being aggressive. This is a level 4, and I think that goes mostly for this milled grip part. Really is very aggressive, and I feel my fingers really want to stick to that part of the dart. So yeah, looking forward to having a throw with them. So let's have a look to see how they go. So here I am, guys, having a quick throw with the darts. Started off with a nice steady turn. The dart felt really nice in my hand, a nice sort of balance. My grip fitted the barrel perfectly. And then, as my darts usually go, a steady turn is followed by a real mediocre 41. And then I managed to finish with a steady 125. Nice first dart, wayward second, and then a nice little treble to finish. So for me, this dart is a perfect dart. So in summary, guys, these are the Gerwyn Price Glacier darts. These are the 24-gram version, but they also come in a 22 grams and 26 grams. They retail at £69.90, and if you're interested in getting yourself a set, head over to the Red Dragon website. Thanks for watching.